Hi friends, welcome to our channel to watch our video and thank for your continued supports for the betterment of our channel.
We hope that you might have watched our previous videos on
Health benefits of aloe vera,
how to extract aloe vera gel from aloe vera leaf,
how to make aloe vera gel curry,
and how to make aloe vera juice.
To know more about health benefits of aloe vera, watch our previous video on health benefits of aloe vera.
Now, in this present video, we would like to demonstrate how to prepare aloe vera powder.
Start watching this video to the end. Clean the aloe vera petals with water.
Cut the aloe vera petals into small slices.
Dry the aloe vera slices in sunlight.
After a few days, see whether the aloe vera slices are dried completely and are ready to prepare the powder.
Put the dried aloe vera slices into the mixie jar.
Grind the aloe vera slices to get the powder.
Do sieve the aloe vera powder to get nice powder.
Now, the aloe vera powder is ready.
Aloe vera powder improves skin health.
Keep the aloe vera powder in airtight bottle and write the date of preparation on the bottle.
You can keep using this powder up to 6 months.
Okay guys. You might have enjoyed with this video.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and relatives.
And also, subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed earlier. Check out our other health and entertainment related videos also.
Thank you for watching this video.